asyik. Aduh, kait. Don't pump me.
Don't what?
Don't pump.
Huan tempat je.
Kau jatuh siap rezeki Allah.
Tak, kenapa menjerit tadi?
Sakitlah leher aku. Kau Zizan. Jangan tengok ke, jangan. You don't take a look there. You don't take a look. Don't take a look there. You take a look the fight
No,
up.
the sound is from there. Where should I watch? Jalan.
This one is not TV. Don't watch TV. You watch here. Come here. You come here. Later on, this one keep the Singapore clean.
Atas jalan ni.
No.
Give me that.
Dirty dirt.
No.
Dirty dirt.
Dirty dia apa?
Dirty.
What's dirty?
Dirty. The break.
The roti.
The break falling down. The dirt falling down. Jangan. The break falling down.
It's okay. 5 second rule.
What rule?
5 second rule. If the bread touch the tamek.
Ni tamek.
It's still okay.
Yeah, okay. Tamek.
Let me try.
No good.
Let me try.
Berpeluh, babe.
Same taste. Same taste.
Tested.
No. To testicle. Different.
Testicle. Don't say root lah. Don't talk nonsense lah. Dah. Mak seram lah.
Rasa jalan, Cik Lan. Cik Lan nak?
Don't. You sit down. You sit down. You sit down.
So when we speak English, the ghost...
Yes, you must speak English. The ghost don't know. Because now the ghost around you all speaking Malay.
How come you don't know?
Yes, you go to the Chinese, they speak Chinese. Down here Malay. Category Malay. You know not?
I know.
Down here... You know this one?
Chloro.
No, bukan klorok baju.
No, then?
From Datuk Ibida.
Oh, chloro.
This very because you sweat.
Why? The taste is different. The bread taste different after touch the tamek.
Tamek? What tamek?
Tamek jalan lah, tamek.
No, the floor.
Cik Lan, kenapa?
Ni floor.
Kenapa ayam time macam ni?
Punya ayam Punya ayam.
Kenapa ayam time macam ni, Cik Lan?
Dia ayam pukul berapa Pukul 5
Ayam pukul 5, pukul 6, Cik Lan.
Ni ayam ni bosia.
Bodoh lah, Cik.
ni ayam betina mesti bosia lah.
Stupid.
Mesti ayam ni cari jantan. Cari ni betina dia kata.
Cik.
Ni.
Cik Lan, saya rasa dah 45 minit ni.
Wait, hold on. You hold on. I want to wash my face. Ayam
Cik Lan, tak main-main ni.
Ni ayam ni mesti cari
Cik jantan.
Cik jantan, ayam jantan. Mak rempit kan ayam jantan.
Iyalah, Cik Lan.
Kejap. Wait. Sabar. You hold.
Cik Lan buat apa, Cik Lan?
I want to wear. Klorak ni kalau kita cuci muka kita,
penat
dia akan bersih. Okey.
Lama lagi, Cik Lan?
Speak English, don't speak Malay. Later the ghost come.
Wait.
Because